Hey, what's up? Have y'all been following the YSL case? Let me inform y'all that they have now cross-examined Mounk Tounk attorney. And with that being said, it's interesting to me. Let me tell you why. Again, if I was a prosecutor, if I was a juror, if I was someone like a judge, being that his client, being that Mounk Tounk asked the witness, his lawyer, oh damn, I can't even think of the man's name. But anyway, his attorney, let me say that. His attorney put him up on the stand, which in fact a lot of people don't know, which I found out today myself, that prior before the case got started, that his attorney had a heart attack and he was out of the office for about maybe 6 to 9 months. I'm estimating, that's what I think I heard. And with that being said, he really wanted to help Mounk Tounk out. He been friends with him for like 15 years. And with that being said, they now decided to cross-examine him. Let me tell y'all what I think happened today. This man been an experienced lawyer for 30 years. He then got cross-examined by the prosecutor. Prosecutor brought about some papers in front of him. And you know, anybody that know anything about pasting, it's easy for someone to paste only a little glimpse of the signature on the line, even if you ain't got that, but like, let's just say you but I don't know, but I think it's a way you could do it. It's easy for you to white out the lining of everything and carry over someone's signature onto a page that you did not provide to them. I think that the states try to slick Mounk Tounk lawyer and him, as well as the defense team. I really believe that after watching it today. Let me tell you why I say that. Because I looked at this man as a juror, if I was a juror, and I watched his demeanor, I watched how he spoke. Even though he's a lawyer, everybody everybody can fall by the wayside with their words, and it's just obvious. That man was very clear on what was presented to him prior to him getting the man out. Let me tell y'all about Mounk Tounk. Mounk Tounk signed the paper in December. Y'all don't hold me with this month, but I think it's December the 27th. He was in jail. He then had to go to court on the 28th, which was the next day of 2022. Now, my month may not be right, but I bet you the damn date is correct. Okay? But, however, the man had to go to court the following next day. Keep in mind, his mother, prior to this case today, Mounk Tounk's mother, has passed. So we talking about a guy that hearing about his mama, not giving a damn about what they finna bring to him, but the fact that he knew that his mother finna pass, I can only imagine how my son or any of y'all that love y'all children or love y'all mother could relate to why that man signed them papers. Now, for a minute, I thought it was a little bit fishy going on with him and his attorney. Honestly, I thought maybe his attorney was selling him out, but no. I gotta come back and say it. I got all these notes right here. I got, Lord good, no, I got so many notes. His attorney, by the way, name is Mr. Wright, Attorney Wrights. So however the matter go, I thought maybe that his attorney had sold him out, but only to find out that his attorney did not sell him out. Because what made me think that his attorney was working for the state, because how could you allow your person, your client, to get up there or even sign some documents that you know gonna carry out the remainder of his life? I couldn't understand that. So Mounk Tounk did say something about that related to his testimony. But you know what got me on yesterday? When Mounk Tounk sat up there and said in front of the jury, the judge, his lawyer, the defense team, this is where he should not, because I grade him and Miss Love. Miss Love yesterday got an A+ since I've been watching the trial on yesterday, because she didn't act like she was in the 3rd grade, just began to read. She didn't act like she didn't know what to say, but she handled it a lot better than she ever have in the case. I'm keeping it real. Mounk Tounk said, "You gonna make no?" He said, "Look here, you ain't gonna be up here talking to me like I'm your child neither." And then so he then turned around and asked the judge, could he go on break? And she said, no. But when that judge seen that you got a street man in here on this trial, and he already sat there and said, after he made the comment to Ms. Love about how she was talking to him, because she did. She tried to handle him because she was feeling herself, is what I got. She transformed into using the court mic. Then she transformed into bringing her personal mic. If it was her personal mic, it may have been the court, but you know the little mic, I got a couple of those myself. But it's like a microphone that, y'all know what I'm talking about. But anyway, once she picked that mic up, she started turning up. She thought that she was going to get the different information from the case from the charges, because she was cross-examining him about his charges that him and his lawyer had signed. And again, that guy Mounk Tounk said exactly what his lawyer instructed him. His lawyer then testified, being cross-examined by Miss Love, and basically what his lawyer knew to tell him, it's the same thing as he stood on stand and said, which was true. Now, if I was a juror looking at it, I feel like, even though them signatures were there, and I'm going to tell y'all why I say that. Because I pay attention to, I'm talking about me. I pay attention to a lot of stuff. Now, let me tell y'all, remind y'all, go back and grab one of my content when I said about the situation that went on with me and this one guy, and how I called the police out, made my statement, and then they used that same statement inside the statement, which was what I had called the police about. They took some of that statement and made it another arrest up on that guy. And even myself, they made an arrest on me, and I was the one that called the police. I was the victim, in other words. So if I had to look at it that way, I pretty much, maybe I'm not explaining it, but I'm gonna have to go live about that and let it be known, because it was the truth in what I'm saying about me, what had happened. So I could easily see that she withheld some information, but when it was time for him to come up to testify today, that document popped up. Y'all see what I'm saying? She played the game. She called herself hiding stuff, sending over this and that. So if she was the one that prepared the documentation, who to say that that lady did not hide that document and brought forth in front of the court? That's what I'm looking at it. She did some shady shit, and now she want to present it as if them folk crazy, playing that bipolar shit. Come on now, you can't play nobody that damn no better. Okay.